These solar fence lights will shine bright for 6 to 10 hours. It only takes about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight to charge them up. You can put them on a fence or a wall and they will cast a V-shaped light pattern on the ground that will be a circle. Very elegant. You can permanently mount them to cement, wood, metal, plastic with the screws, or you can use the super powerful double-sided foam tape. Basically, you have a super easy option to install and then another option which frankly isn't that much more difficult. They're easy to operate. They have the on-off button. You mount them this way so the solar panel can catch the sun and then the light part will shine down. They turn themselves on and off automatically, so it will be from dusk to dawn they will come on. One thing you might want to keep in mind is you want to keep them away from other light sources. So if there's a permanent light outside, you wouldn't want to put these too close to it because it might not kick on automatically. It needs to be somewhat dark for them to actually throw the light. Don't forget, when you're using solar electricity, there's no bill. No one charges you. You have the light for free because the sun powers it. This is a great way to add some beauty to a property. And some say extra light. Well, that's just more secure because it's better to be able to see what's going on than have things be in darkness. I'll show you how I installed these and how great they look. I will be using screws to attach these. It just simply attaches. That's all there is to it. And this is without the lights on, and now I can't get over how good they look. I think they look amazing.